In this video, I will show you how to change Siri name on iPhone with iOS 18. With iOS 18, you can rename Siri to any name of your choice. Make sure that your iPhone is updated to latest iOS 18. First, open Settings app on your iPhone. Now scroll down and tap Accessibility. On Accessibility settings, scroll down and tap Vocal Shortcuts. Tap Vocal Shortcuts and here you will choose an action and record a phrase in order to teach your iPhone to recognize your voice. Tap Continue. Under System, tap Siri. Now enter a custom phrase of your choice. Once done, you need to train your iPhone by following on-screen instructions. Sophia, Sophia, Sophia. When action is ready, tap Continue. Now whenever you say the custom phrase that we just said, Siri will be activated. So that is how you can change Siri name on iPhone with iOS 18 and activate Siri using custom phrase. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.